how long until I get results? I get this question all the time, and you know, I shouldn't admit this, but it took me 4 years to be happy with my body. I first read about this whole fasting stuff in 2012. I was promised a dream. I thought I would get jacked in like record time. I messed it up for 4 years. It wasn't until 2016 I was actually proud of how I looked. I saw a photo, I'm like, damn, there's abs, there's veins, I love it. So how long is it gonna take you to get jacked? I have absolutely no idea. This is why I hate doing like timelines in my posts, because I get a lot of awesome before and afters from you guys, as you can see in the wins and in the transformation section. But nobody knows how long it's gonna take. Like I've mentioned in the past, depends on your consistency and your intensity. So my problem was I wasn't consistent, I wasn't intense, and I just did everything wrong. Because people will be like, oh, I skipped breakfast, how come it's not working? And then I'll ask a few more questions, and then it turns out that they're skipping breakfast 5 days a week. On the weekend they're getting hammered, which is fine, but they're drinking beers, eating chips, eating pizza, eating crap all day. I'm like, well, yeah, if you have a tight eating window, you can get away with that. But you can't get away with that if you're eating like hell for 2 days straight. It doesn't work like that. So I mean, you're not gonna see results in a week. Some people they say they do. Some people will try this stuff. They're intense, they're consistent, and they get results like in like a week. They say that, but I don't know. For me, 4 years, like I said. So you don't expect results in a week. Don't expect results in 3 weeks. This is not a quick fix. This isn't a detox tea. This isn't a fat burner. This isn't a pill. I hate to say this, but it's a lifestyle change. I hate that word. I can't believe I said it, but I had to say it. It's a permanent fix. It's your new lifestyle. You're active. You're fasting, you're skipping breakfast, you're keeping a tight eating window, you're saying no to breakfast, you're saying yes to pizza when the occasion calls for it. Hopefully the occasion isn't every day, hopefully it's once a week, once every other week. And then you're doing this stuff, you're lifting weight 3-4 times a week, you're getting lots of sleep, lots of protein, you're doing the protein first. And then you know what, 3 weeks could go by, a month could go by, 2 months could go by. I don't know how much time it's gonna take. You're gonna live this time anyways, you're gonna live your life. The time's gonna fly by, you're doing all this. And then you're like, shit, I look pretty good. Everyone's checking me out. I got some veins. I got a good tan. I'm outside all the time. And then you're gonna be happy. And then I'm not gonna put any timelines in the photos because there's no telling how long it's gonna take. And the final factor is depends where you're starting. If you're overweight, yes, you're gonna lose weight because your body is used to eating all day, every day, and it's gonna be easier to burn the fat off. If you're like very fit already, it might be tougher to see results. It all depends on where you're starting. So don't feel too bad if you don't get jacked within 5 days. Give it some time, enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching.